My name's Suzanne Sharkey. I am Vice Chair of Law Enforcement Action Partnership in the UK. So our governments have the power to make this change, and what I'd like and what I advocate for is for governments to have an honest approach to this. You know, one that's based with evidence that's there, one that's based in solutions that are around the world that we know that work, like heroin-assisted treatment, like drug consumption rooms. That's what we need. We need them to wake up and, you know, we got it wrong, okay? We got it wrong. So how do we make it right? How do we make it better? And it's really, I know it's not easy, but it is quite simple. You know, stop criminalising people who use drugs. I think we'd all like to live in a fair and just society, and some of us may believe that, but from my experience, we don't. You know, from my time in the police, it wasn't fair and just. You know, those people that I were locking up, they were poor, vulnerable people that needed help, and I didn't help them. At the time, I know I thought I was doing the right thing, but, you know, time's moved on since then, and, you know, we need to wake up. We need governments and police to wake up, you know, stop these policies that are based in fear and discrimination. Let's have an honest approach to this. Let's look at the facts. Let's look at the evidence. Let's look at what works. Looking at the solutions. And for me, the bottom line is to stop all these needless deaths happening. You know, these drug-related deaths that are happening, they can be prevented. Today, I advocate and campaign for drug policy reform. And the end goal for me, which may be a bit far in the distance, would be full regulation and legalisation of all drugs. For me, that's a solution that would take out organised crime. You know, I'm not naive. It's not going to take away the whole black market. But by doing that, you take a huge, huge chunk of it. And not only that, the amount of government money that goes directly into drug law enforcement would save millions, and that could then be used